Okay, the frustrating. This one is one of the most frustrating. This is the 1813 Zero, and she is pretty. Of course, I guess I could pop it off. This one kind of pops off a little harder. They actually had thicker grease, so it was kind of thicker grease. I oiled it up, got her moving. Similar where the stitch width selection wasn't working so good. On this one though, I thought it's odd how it seems so much more off to the right. Seems more than the 1410. And I don't know if that's related or not, but when I go to the stitch width 4, it just goes by. It's like, nope, not working. So actually, I'm getting some improved performance. So I wound up taking apart, suspecting because the I wasn't getting enough. The other thread was kind of furry, and it wasn't so good. I just put a new bobbin that ran out. And prior, though, I disassembled my first time completely disassembling the bobbin case, cleaning that real thoroughly, and that actually improved performance so I could lower the tension up top, lower the tension on the bottom, and I wasn't on the max because I thought it was a little tight too. So that actually improved to where I was getting more consistent stitches. So you can see going over here, the wider 3 length, it's not really there. Somewhat when you're on that closest red line doing the 3 seemed to be doing a little better, but yeah, there's improvement. 1 and 2 seem okay, no issues. But intention-wise, I think I got it dialed in. But yeah, I go to 3 or 4, something's funky. I don't know if it's too far offset. I'm kind of guessing. I have no clue really about this stuff 100%. I'm doing this all on the fly, just logic. What seems to be, though, to me, is how far this is over. Something seems like it's too far over, like it needs to be over to the left a little more. I don't know if something's off, where, loose. I'll probably have to get in it too eventually if I just can't get better stitching through tension settings. But looks like I got the tension correct now. The straight stitch looks good. I don't see any issues with, straight stitch over here. And that did measure out about, is a little bit shorter. I mean, it's pretty much 6 per inch. It's close, but maybe a little bit, but it's about 6 per inch. I'm guessing this machine, that's the same with the 6 settings, so 6 per inch. I forget if I read it or not. I don't recall reading it, but I'm kind of skimming through, looking at just the settings to see how to get the settings. Because something that seemed odd I didn't read in the manual is the S is definitely defined, the red's definitely defined with a stitch modifier, but the M and L I don't see anywhere listed, so I don't know what the scoop is there. I haven't tried any other stitches, obviously. I might just do that real quick. Yeah, maybe I'll pause it and try another stitch on 4 and just see what happens. So just did a quick, so I was talking about it, did an S, the Rick Rack it's called. 4 it just wasn't engaging either. 3 looks like it's not doing too bad. And then 2, 1, it looked all good, then going back up till I got to 3, 4, switching over to 4. 3 looks, I think 3's okay. It's a little bit of tension. I gotta probably lower the tension a little bit. Back side is this one there. Looks alright. On the back side. And I'm almost wondering that too. The one side, the right side, it's like the tension's a little different than the left side. So I'm wondering if that's telling me something where this side's tension's not the same as the other side tension. So that's indicative of something. So maybe I'm going to stop it here about 4 minutes, almost 5, and then just see if I can get some feedback, some insight. All right, be safe, stay healthy. Until next time, bye now.